now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I hope you all had a great New Year's. 2018. We're on a new, I don't know. The first cop of 2018. Have I copped something? I don't know. We'll just call this the first cop of 2018, and it's Jordan's year. So you already know. You already know this is Jordan's year. So here's how we rockin'. I like the box though. I do like the box. The little Gatorade mic. If you guys had like a 7-Eleven in your area, you saw all the stuff they were. Ooh. Jordan, quit playing with me, dog. A towel? Y'all ain't have to do it with the towel though. You ain't have to add the towel though. Hold on. Hold on. This is how I'm doing the rest of the video. Man, Jordan Brand, I'm telling you, they can get you like hype for no reason about dumb stuff. And only Jordan Brand. Like, man. But here we have the Gatorade 6. Or the I don't know what it is. People got mad at me last time because I said this was a Gatorade bottle. It is supposed to look that. Obviously the dude was like, it's not a real Gatorade bottle, can you drink out of it? I was like, YouTube. The shoe is just butter, dog. We got like a nubucket suede type material on all of the upper, and this green is beautiful. I just really like this shoe. I think it's clean, and like unlike the other ones, this bottom is okay because it'd be kind of weird to have like a light blue tint on this. So on this shoe, this bottom is okay. I thought on the white ones, the like general release version of this shoe, I thought that probably should have had a blue tint bottom, but this bottom is perfect. Yeah, Gatorade colorway. I really like it. I really like it. If I could be up on the tongue again. So pretty much same hints as the last one, just better materials and more limited. And I think this is the type of drop we can kind of, you can kind of envision how all of 2018 is gonna be, how this drop was. Sold out, good amount of time. And yeah, they were hard to cop. They were only on 2-foot sites. So I think it's dope. I think Jordan Brand will be back, and I think Jordan Brand will take over the top spot once again. And if y'all put a towel in every one of the shoes this year, I will cop every pair. I promise you I will. Just give me a towel. That's all I need. I'm telling you, that's all I need. And what else? What else? What else? And yeah, there's some fire Jordans coming. There's some fire shoes coming. January is fire. February is definitely fire. Just stay woke and stay locked in. Gatorade. Taste the energy.